Is your T-Mobile 5G gateway's Wi-Fi network not appearing on your devices? This is a common issue with a few potential causes. First, the SSID network name might be hidden, preventing automatic detection. This is often a default security setting or a result of a software glitch. Another reason could be band visibility problems, where either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band isn't broadcasting correctly. Finally, distance and obstructions can significantly weaken the signal. T-Mobile has been actively releasing firmware updates to address these problems, reducing SSID hiding issues by 30% as of early 2025. Knowing these common causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Start with the simplest fix. Power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This resolves about 70% of connection issues. Use the T-Mobile Internet app to check if your SSID is hidden and toggle it to visible. In the app, ensure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands are enabled. For distance problems, reposition the gateway to a central elevated location away from metal objects. Access the gateway's admin panel at 192.168.2.1 and manually adjust Wi-Fi settings. Regularly check for firmware updates via the T-Mobile app to benefit from the latest bug fixes. If all else fails, consider a hardware reset or adding a T-Mobile Connect 2.0 mesh extender to boost signal range in larger homes. Remember, T-Mobile statistics indicate that user error often contributes to these issues, so proactive app checks are crucial.